Coated peanuts from production to packaging. These are coated peanuts, carefully packaged, labeled and ready for sale. In this video, I will show you how these peanuts are made and how I package them in bulk for the market. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification. Subscription is free. This process starts with selecting good granules, quality granules. So clean granules, well-selected granules is important for taste and quality. So after the selection of granules, proceed to breaking of eggs and mixing up the eggs with other ingredients like sugar, salt, milk, flavors of your choice to taste and make your own peanuts unique. Peanuts are then coated properly. So this is the coating process. The coating process can be done manually or using electrified machine. So feel free to do what you prefer. So the process gives the peanuts the unique texture. So don't overcoat your peanuts while you are doing that. In my previous video, many people asked me how I package these peanuts for sale. So in this video, I'll focus more on packaging and branding process. So after frying and cooling the peanuts, they are carefully canned. So I'm using different cans. I'm using 3 sizes of cans. I'm also using nylon to tie the 100 naira peanuts. So after canning, I go ahead and label these peanuts with these stickers. So these stickers, I got them from people who do printing. So here the peanuts are placed into these containers to keep them fresh and presentable. So each container is properly sealed. The covers, once you cover them, they are sealed to prevent air and moisture from entering. And this peanut can last as long as 6 months to 1 year. So labeling is important because it helps customers identify the product and build trust. After labeling, the peanuts are now shrink wrapped to give them a neat and professional finished touch. So this is what I'm doing here. So these peanuts are then packed in sets of 12, ready for distribution to shops, resellers. So these ones are going to the market because those market people will resell them as wholesalers. They will resell them as wholesale to retailers who will now retail them to the end users. So this method is suitable for small food businesses and anyone looking to package snacks for sale.
This is the final packaged product. Clean, attractive, and ready for the market. I like the red, the way I combine the red sticker with the red cover. So feel free to design yours the way you prefer. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit that like button, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.